Yo, what's good, guys? Today I'm going to be getting Gold Rank Part 3. In Part 2, I sold and hopefully we can get gold. I'm true queuing with my friends. Let's get started into the vid. Yo, what's good, guys? Well, we're in the first match with my two friends, and the geeked one is bed defending with Noel, and the cool tough one is cycling with Electra, and I'm just bed breaking. And I got the bed! Oh, I got the bed plating! Oh, I got the bed plating! Right, Doc? Easy bed nigga! Easy bed boy! Easy! You're a bed defender, little bro. Got one. Do I sound geek? Do I sound geek? Easy. Yes, we won! Plus 15 RP. Guys, lock in. I think I have one more match until gold. Guys, lock in. Alright, guys, next match. Okay, guys, we just queued in, and we are against 3 golds on our rank up game. We are cut. The strat is Electro Ragnar, and this guy's using Whisper because someone's already using Elder Tree. Alan, feed for the bed break. Feed!
Bed.
Bro, what are y'all doing? He's Whisper. It's fine. Oh, W. Teammate got bed plating. Nice. I'm gonna stall. Alan, please. Give me some flies. Okay. Please give me flies. Yo!
What happened?
Bro, my game freeze. Speed. Thank you. Oh, it's just they have OB now. I'm gonna stall. Bro, their sword stones are in armor. No, I don't. Yo, is there someone hacking? I swear I saw someone flying. Bro, OB was open. Then do something about it, better. There's no one about to mind the rain. Or you need some. Free bet. That's a free bet. I got bed! Let's go! Now just defend bed, please. Yeah, he's right here. He's on our bridge, guys. Don't sell it. Nice. Nice! Yes! Yes, I got him! Yes! Let's see if it's enough for gold rank. Gold rank! I got gold rank! Oh my god, bro! I got gold rank 1 RP, bro. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe to my people's YouTube channel in the description, and peace.